Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best convertible mini cribs that are available on the market for their true quality. These cribs are perfect for parents looking for versatility, safety, and style in compact spaces. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Sty-High Portable Mini Baby Crib, a feature-packed option for families seeking a multi-purpose crib. This crib is crafted from high-quality, natural New Zealand pine wood with no spray paint, making it eco-friendly and gentle on your baby's skin. It's a 4-in-1 convertible crib that adapts as your child grows, transforming into a bedside sleeper, toddler bed, bassinet, playpen, or even a study desk. The inclusion of a dual-firmness memory foam mattress certified by Certipur US ensures a comfortable sleep environment, with a firmer side for infants and a memory foam side for toddlers to support spinal alignment. Its standout feature is the under-crib storage and retractable bed option, which extends the sleeping space for growing children. The design is sleek, lightweight, and foldable, making it easy to store or transport. However, assembly can be slightly challenging, and the price isn't listed, which may deter some buyers. With a maximum weight recommendation of 70 pounds, this crib is robust and offers long-term functionality. While it's versatile and eco-friendly, the lack of detailed pricing information and relatively lower customer ratings, 4.2 stars, keep it at rank number 5. Overall, the Sty-High Portable Mini Baby Crib offers great versatility and premium features for families who value multifunctionality and eco-conscious materials. It's ideal for parents with limited space or those looking for a crib that grows with their child, but the missing price point and moderate reviews make it less competitive compared to higher-ranked options. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Dream On Me Violet 4-in-1 Convertible Mini Crib, which offers incredible value for budget-conscious parents. At just $111.40, this crib packs a punch with its versatility and elegant design in a rich espresso finish. It's crafted from solid pine wood and features a sleek, flowing design that complements any nursery style. The Violet crib can convert from a mini crib to a daybed and even a twin-size bed, making it suitable for your child's growth stages. It also has a 3-position adjustable mattress height, allowing you to adapt the crib as your baby develops. Safety is a top priority here, with JPMA certification and rigorous testing to meet ASTM and CPSC standards. The compact footprint makes it ideal for small spaces, and its sturdy construction ensures durability. However, the included 1-inch mattress pad may need upgrading for better comfort, and the crib doesn't fold or offer portability features like higher-ranked models. Weighing 30 pounds, it's light enough for easy assembly, but heavier than some competitors. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,600 reviews, this crib has earned its place as a reliable budget option. The Dream On Me Violet is perfect for parents seeking affordability without compromising on safety or style. While it lacks advanced portability features, its long-term usability as a convertible crib makes it a fantastic investment for families looking to maximize value without breaking the bank. At rank number 2, we have the Dream On Me Aden 4-in-1 Convertible Mini Crib, a highly versatile and stylish crib that stands out for its durability and compact design. Made from New Zealand pine wood, the Aden combines sturdiness with elegance in a bright white finish that fits seamlessly into any nursery theme. Like other Dream On Me models, this crib offers 4-in-1 convertibility, allowing it to transition from a mini crib to a daybed and even a twin-size bed, rails sold separately. The 3-position mattress height adjustment ensures adaptability as your baby grows, making it a long-lasting investment. Safety is paramount, with JPMA certification and third-party testing for toxic elements ensuring your child's well-being. While it doesn't fold for storage, its compact dimensions make it ideal for small spaces. Whether in a shared room or a cozy nursery, at 40 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but this weight contributes to its sturdy build. With a 4.6-star rating from over 8,000 reviews, the Aden is a customer favorite for both style and performance. The included tools make assembly straightforward, although the twin-size bed conversion requires additional purchases. The Dream On Me Aden is an excellent choice for families seeking a stylish and durable crib that offers long-term functionality. Its slightly higher price point is justified by its quality materials and versatility, making it a strong contender for families who want both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Dream On Me Edgewood 4-in-1 Convertible Mini Crib, the premium option that takes the top spot for its stellar combination of style, functionality, and durability. Priced at $139.99, this crib is crafted from solid pine wood with a beautiful olive finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any nursery. It offers 4-in-1 convertibility, transitioning from a mini crib to a daybed and a twin-size bed, rails sold separately. The 3-position adjustable mattress height ensures adaptability as your baby grows, while the included 1-inch mattress pad provides a basic starting point for comfort. The Edgewood excels in safety, being JPMA certified and tested for toxic elements to meet ASTM and CPSC standards. Its compact design is perfect for small nurseries or shared spaces, while the sturdy construction ensures longevity. Weighing just 18 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its build, making assembly easy and hassle-free. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, the Edgewood is well-loved for its sleek aesthetic and reliable performance. However, its higher price point and lack of portability features may deter budget-conscious buyers. The Dream On Me Edgewood is the ultimate choice for parents who want a crib that combines style, safety, and long-term usability. Its premium price is well worth the investment for families looking for top-tier quality in a convertible mini crib. Whether you're setting up a chic nursery or maximizing space in a shared room, the Edgewood delivers unmatched value and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.